Hi guys! So we have question from Jane Del Prado. Hi Miss Laila, just recently married to Sri Lankan. Nagpalit ka ba ng apelyido mo sa Sri Lanka at sa lahat ng documents mo? Madali lang po ba? May kabayan guys asking me if I change my surname to from my husband's surname. Tama ba? Or if I use my husband surname. The answer is yes, I'm using my husband's surname po with all my documents. So like visa, my passport, I'm using po his surname. So the next question is, madali lang po ba? Yes guys, madali lang. So like us, my husband and I married sa United Arab Emirates. So we just report our marriage to Philippine Embassy sa United Arab Emirates. So, yun naman yung rule guys. Kung saan kayo kinasal, doon kayo magre-report ng marriage. So, since doon kami kinasal, kaya doon kami nag-report ng marriage namin. So, when the report of marriage available sa NSO, sa atin sa Pinas, actually, I was in Dubai that time. So, I asked my sister to get it for me. I think after 1 month. Yeah, after 1 month, I got the NSO copy available at Philippines. I just send the authorization letter with my valid ID. After we got the NSO copy, I asked my sister again for the red ribbon. So, kapatid ko rin yung nagpa-red ribbon, guys. No, nakuha ko na yung NSO with, na may naka-red ribbon siya. Exactly naman, my nephew, may flight siya sa Dubai. So, pinasuyo ko na lang sa kanya. Yeah. So, yung authorization letter ko, tsaka ID ko, pinadala ko na lang sa DHL from UAE, to Philippines. So, pina-express ko na lang siya. 1 to 3 days, na-receive na siya ng kapatid ko. So, nung nag-flight yung pamakin ko from Philippines, pinasuyo ko sa kanya. Pinadala ko sa kanya yung mga documents. So, nung nakuha ko na sa pamakin ko yung NSO with red ribbon, nag-renew ako ng passport with the change of my surname. Yeah, pinapalit ko yung surname ko, in short. Ayun, so, ang requirements na, pag nagpa-renew ka, tapos ipapalit mo yung surname mo, kailangan mo yung marriage certificate nyo, yung report of marriage na naka-red ribbon from Philippines, di ba? From Philippines. Tapos, yung all passport, yon. So, nung na-renew ko na yung passport ko, tapos nakapagpalit na ako ng apelyido, yun, nag-apply na ako ng visa dito. Ayan, so ganun lang yun kadali, be. Kung sa Pinas naman kayo kinasal, mas madali kasi unlike sa Dubai kami. So, una, i-report mo lang yung marriage mo kung saan kayo kinasal. After noon, antayin mo lang yung NSO copy niya. Pag meron na, kunin mo, tapos ipa-red ribbon mo. Tapos, mag-renew ka ng passport mo. Diba? Palitan mo na yung surname mo. So, yun yung kailangan, yung marriage certificate, tsaka yung report of marriage kung hindi kayo kinasal sa Pilipinas. So, ganun lang kabilis. Salamat, Jane! So, kung may tanong pa po kayo, please let me know. Bye!